Boys. A bird told me that many of you need to up your game when it comes to going out. So today I'm taking you through my steel-proven step-by-step process that takes my attractiveness through the roof, and maybe it works for you too.
I mean, I wouldn't be together with this beautiful creature if it wasn't for my prep system.
And I bet boys are going to respect you tons more as well if you follow these steps. And in the end I have a bonus tip for y'all, which is just a game changer. Like literally, it can make anyone look so much more confident, attractive and cool. But let's start from the beginning. So the first step starts the day before the night out. You see, I have a little bit, hairs here and here. These are called baby hairs. I personally thought they were really cool. I was so muscular, but girls don't think that. They prefer nothing or a full beard. So the first tip is to get rid of these hairs. Shave it. Yeah, you see, I look a lot more put together and I don't look homeless anymore. The second tip. Go to sleep with wet hair. At least for my hair type, it gives my hair so much texture, so much volume. Basically, it's a replacement for hair products. And that's the result of overnight wet hair. As you can see, my hair now has lots of volume, lots of texture, and it looks basically as good if I were to spend 15 minutes doing my hair, putting some products in, using the hair dryer. But I just went sleeping with wet hair. Alright guys, let's get to the third tip. Wash your face before you go out. Get your face wet, apply some cleanser. Dirty face will kind of ruin your whole look, so that's why this is important. And now you wash it off and your skin will look a lot cleaner. Okay guys, this next tip is a must. Probably most of you are doing it, but for those of you who don't, this is for you. Wear deodorant, guys. Let me tell you a story. Wanna be in this story? Because I'm gonna talk about you.
Yeah.
When I was 15, 16-ish, I sometimes used this, sometimes I didn't. And this one night, we weren't together back then, he told me, Michael, you kind of sometimes smell really bad. I literally had no idea. And then one night I went out with my friend and told him the same story that you told me that I smell sometimes. And then he was like, yeah, sometimes you do.
It wasn't like sometimes. He smelled really bad. Funny guy, looks cool, looks cute, but smells. You know, it ruins the whole look.
Yeah, guys, this is so important. The fifth tip, you guys need to iron your shirt. Wrinkled clothes are just going to make you look immature and dirty, and you don't want that. And don't let your girlfriend or parents or anyone do it for you. Please do it yourself. Every man should know how to iron a shirt. Also, this ironing tip doesn't apply for only shirts like these, but for literally every other shirt. If it's wrinkled, you will look unprepared, immature, and dirty. Alright, step 6. If you happen to have a long sleeve, then please roll them up. I've always done it since I was 14. If I have long sleeves, I roll them up. Every time. No questions asked. You're going to look so much more attractive, muscular, cooler. Probably your biceps are going to look bigger. Girls fucking love it. And another great benefit that rolled up sleeves are going to give you is that you can wear a watch. Wearing a watch is also my 7th tip. Watch? It's just going to make you look so much more handsome, attractive. It's a great accessory, it's a great piece for your outfit. Yeah, it just adds so much. Wear a watch. Now, if you have followed these steps, you're probably looking quite handsome. But do you smell good? This is the step 8. Wear a cologne. It's going to make you smell sexy, mature. This is a cologne my girlfriend got me. She thought it was amazing. I literally love it. This is literally my secret weapon to being attractive. So I'll link it down in the description. Maybe you would like to. This bonus tip is basically a formula which makes you cool, attractive and likable. I mean, it just makes your personality so much cooler. Basically, it's the combination of not giving a fuck and being as honest as possible. The more you boost these, the more you are yourself. And many think, me being one of them, that others don't like their honesty, but actually it's the other way around. Alright guys, save this video for later, so the next time you're going out, you will be amazingly attractive, likable and cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye. Yeah!